Welcome to Zelengam Media. Today we're exploring the world's rarest and most dangerous diseases. While pandemics and common illnesses grab headlines, some conditions are so rare and devastating they challenge our understanding of life itself. Why focus on these? Because studying rare diseases leads to breakthroughs that ripple across medicine and deepen our empathy. These stories remind us of the fragility and resilience of the human body. We'll journey from genetic time warps to microscopic predators, from cultural tragedies to the terror of losing sleep. This isn't just a list of maladies. It's a look at how biology can go awry in the most unexpected ways. Let's dive in. Imagine your body's clock stuck on fast forward. That's life for children with Hutchinson-Gilford progeria syndrome, or HGPS. Affecting about 1 in 20 million, progeria is caused by a single mutation in the LMNA gene, producing a toxic protein called progerin. This protein destabilizes cells, causing rapid aging. Kids develop symptoms of old age like joint stiffness and heart disease by age 10. The real danger is inside hardened arteries and heart problems, leading to a life expectancy of just 14 years. But there's hope. Researchers have pinpointed the cause, and a drug called lonafarnib can slow the disease, extending life by a few years. Studying progeria isn't just about helping a few, it's unlocking secrets of aging for everyone. Even healthy elderly people have traces of progerin, so understanding it could help us all age better. Progeria is a stark reminder of how a single genetic typo can rewrite a life, and it shows why rare diseases matter to us all. Now, let's dive into the world of deadly microbes. Meet Naegleria fowleri, the brain-eating amoeba. Found in warm fresh water, it infects people when water enters the nose, usually while swimming or diving. Once inside, it travels up the olfactory nerve straight to the brain, causing primary amoebic meningoencephalitis, or PAM. Early symptoms mimic meningitis, headache, fever, nausea. But the disease progresses rapidly to seizures, coma, and death within days. With a fatality rate over 97%, survival is almost unheard of. Diagnosis is tough because it's so rare and symptoms are misleading. Prevention is key. Use nose clips in warm, fresh water and only use sterile water for nasal rinses. Infections are rare, but almost always fatal. Naegleria fowleri is a chilling reminder that some of the deadliest threats are invisible. Sometimes the most dangerous predators are the ones we never see. Next, we travel to Papua New Guinea for a story where culture and disease collide. Kuru. Kuru is a prion disease caused by misfolded proteins that trigger a chain reaction, destroying brain tissue. It spread among the 4 people through ritual cannibalism, especially the consumption of the brain during funerals. Victims developed tremors, loss of coordination, and uncontrollable laughter, hence the nickname laughing sickness. The disease devastated communities, especially women and children. Once the ritual stopped, Kuru cases plummeted, but its long incubation meant cases appeared decades later. Kuru taught medicine about prions and earned Dr. Carlton Gajdusek a Nobel Prize. It's a tragic lesson in how tradition and biology can intersect with deadly consequences. Kuru reminds us that disease can be shaped by culture as much as by genes, and that sometimes stopping a disease means changing a tradition. Imagine never sleeping again. This is fatal familial insomnia, or FFI. It's a genetic prion disease, passed down in families, that destroys the brain's ability to sleep. The mutation targets the thalamus, the brain's sleep center, leading to relentless insomnia, panic, hallucinations, and eventually death. The disease strikes in middle age and progresses over months, with patients fully aware of their decline. No treatment works, sedatives are useless, and the mind deteriorates while awake. FI is rare, affecting only a few families worldwide, but its cruelty is universal. Research is ongoing, but for now, FI is a waking nightmare with no escape. It shows how essential sleep is, not a luxury, but a biological necessity. FFI forces us to confront what happens when the body's most basic needs are denied. Sleep isn't just rest, it's survival. When it comes to hemorrhagic fevers, Ebola gets the headlines, but Marburg virus is just as deadly. First identified in 1967, Marburg causes high fever, severe headache, and often massive internal bleeding. It's spread from African fruit bats to humans, then person to person through bodily fluids. Outbreaks are rare but deadly, with fatality rates up to 88%. Early symptoms mimic other tropical diseases, making diagnosis tricky. There's no approved treatment or vaccine. Supportive care is the only option. Healthcare workers and families are especially at risk. Marburg is a stark reminder of the threat posed by emerging viruses and the need for global vigilance. In a connected world, a rare virus can become everyone's problem overnight. Some diseases are so rare they barely have a name, like Fields syndrome, found only in Welsh twins Catherine and Kirsty Fields. This neuromuscular disorder began in childhood, causing progressive muscle spasms, loss of speech and paralysis, but leaving their minds intact. No genetic cause has been found, and no other cases exist. The sisters communicate with their own sign language and electronic devices. Fields syndrome highlights the challenges of researching ultra-rare diseases. When your sample size is 2, every test is a shot in the dark. Their story is a testament to resilience and the need for global collaboration in rare disease research. For those with ultra-rare conditions, there are no roadmaps, just courage and hope. Even the rarest cases can teach medicine something new. No one should face a medical mystery alone. Our final disease is familiar, but its deadliness is unmatched. Rabies. Thanks to animal vaccination, human rabies is rare in many countries. But once symptoms appear, it's almost always fatal. The virus spreads through animal bites, traveling along nerves to the brain. There's a window for life-saving treatment, post-exposure shots, but once symptoms start, death is nearly certain. Early signs are flu-like, but progress to agitation, hydrophobia, paralysis, and coma. The Milwaukee Protocol has saved only a handful. For most, rabies is a death sentence. Rabies is both ancient and modern, a common tragedy in some places, a rare emergency in others. It's a powerful reminder of the importance of vaccination and immediate medical care after animal bites. Rabies is terrifying, but almost entirely preventable. Sometimes the deadliest threats are the ones we know best. We've explored 7 of the world's rarest and deadliest diseases, each a story of mystery, struggle, and resilience. These conditions push the boundaries of science and remind us of the complexity of our bodies. Every rare disease patient is a pioneer, helping unlock knowledge that could benefit us all. Thanks for joining this deep dive. If you found it fascinating, subscribe to Zelenga Media, like, and comment below. Stay curious, and remember, even the rarest stories can change the world. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.